This video walks you through how to enter a 1099 MISC from the California FTB in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to add the form. Once the return is open, go to the Federal section. From there, select Income so you can move into the part of the return where TurboTax collects income documents and related entries. On the Income page, look for the area labeled Other Common Income. Expand that section if it is collapsed. Then find Form 1099 MISC and click Start or Revisit, depending on whether this is your first time entering it or you are returning to update an entry that is already in progress. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for TurboTax to move to the next screen. When TurboTax asks, "Did you get a 1099 MISC?" select Yes. That tells the program you are adding a form rather than skipping past this section. On the next prompt, choose Type it in myself. This takes you to the manual entry screen, which is where you will match the details from your California FTB Form 1099 MISC. On the screen titled, "Let us enter the income from your 1099 MISC," enter the payer name exactly as it appears on the form. Then enter the EIN shown on the California FTB 1099 MISC. It is worth pausing here to match the form carefully, since payer information and tax ID details should be entered as shown on the document. Next, enter the amount from box 3, which is Other Income, if that is the box used on your form. If your California FTB 1099 MISC includes amounts in other applicable boxes, enter those amounts in the matching fields on the TurboTax screen as well. Use the information directly from the form and place each amount in the corresponding box field. If your 1099 MISC includes California state tax information in boxes 15 through 18, select the option that says My form has other info in boxes 1 to 18. After checking that box, enter the state details from the form into the fields TurboTax displays. This is the part that captures any state-specific information reported on the California FTB document, so make sure those entries come over accurately if those boxes are present. After that, click Continue. TurboTax will guide you through the remaining questions related to the 1099 MISC entry. Read each screen and answer based on the form and the prompts shown. Continue through those follow-up questions until TurboTax finishes adding the form to your return. Your California FTB Form 1099 MISC is now entered in TurboTax.